Hey everyone, welcome to our channel again. So in this video, we're gonna look at how to get 5.25% APY from Andrews Federal Credit Union. So it's really one of the highest APIs in the market right now. So because usually in the market you say some of the savings or CDs are offering 4%, but this is 5.25% up to $25,000. So which is still a good. And later I'm going to show what are the requirements. So this is from an Andrews Federal Credit Union. There are three requirements that you need to meet, which are very easy. I'll show you how to meet these requirements right from your app or laptop so that you can get $20 more if you put $25,000 every month as opposed to getting 4%. So that means you can get 5.25% APY every month from Andrews Federal Credit Union if you meet all those requirements. So I use it, then I also use other banks who are offering 4%, but I have found that this is one of the best federal credit unions to get higher APY. Now let's look at some of the requirements. So you see, in order to get that 5.25% APY, you must be a member. So I'm going to show you how you can be a member. There are different ways to qualify for the membership, but I'll show you later in the video how to be a member. Number two, you must open a cash checking account. So this is not for any checking account. This is specifically for Casasa or whatever you call it, Casasa cash checking account. Number three, you must complete a monthly ACH debit or credit. So usually I do credit, like I just send whatever amount every month from external bank account to Andrews Federal Credit Union. It could be $10 or $15, whatever. I just set up a recurring monthly deposit from my external bank account and it just comes there automatically every month. Number four, which is very important, must complete 15 debit card purchases per month. So you see, you need to use the debit card and you need to do 15 debit card purchases every month. So it doesn't matter what amount, could be $1, $2, but how are you going to do it? And later I'll show you how you can do that from your app. And then you must be enrolled in online banking. So basically you need to download the app, make sure you have your online credentials. You must be enrolled in e-statement, but it is very important. Make sure that you are enrolled in the e-statement, that is paperless statement. It's not mail copy. Now you see, how are you going to qualify for the membership? There are different ways to qualify for the membership, but in case you don't meet any of these, what you can do, you can get a free membership through American Consumer Council. So you can click on it. And here they're saying, like, do you need to join the American American Consumer Council before completing the membership process? What they're saying, no. You select the ACC as your enrollment option. Andrews Federal will automatically enroll you as a new member in the ACC as your membership eligibility option. Now you see, how much are you going to really make? So like I said, this 5.25% APY is up to $25,000. So like, let's say you don't have $25,000. Let's say you want to put $5,000. So if you put $5,000 and you meet all those three requirements, then you get 5.25% APY. Then in a month you make around $20 to $20. Now if you put $25,000 and you get 5.25% APY, you make almost a little over $100 a month, as opposed to if you put $25,000 in other savings account or CD which are offering 4%, you get $80 or $83. So you see, having this $25,000 in this Andrews Federal Credit Union, if you have the $25,000, you make almost $20 more every month from other banks who are offering 4%. So if you have this money, it's great. But if you have anything, 5,000, 10,000, 7,000, whatever, still you make more than the other banks who are offering 4%. Now, one of the good things about Andrews Federal Credit Union is actually you can check whether you're meeting all the requirements. For example, you could log into your app, you go to account service, then you click on Casasa rewards, and then you see they're asking you to meet three requirements every month. So like I told you, 15 debit card this month, like for example here I met 16, and then they're asking for one deposits. There's indirect deposit, but basically it's a deposit. Just do it from an external account and that should be fine. And then e-statements. So these are the three, and you can track it whether you're doing it or not. So make sure you don't wait to finish all these requirements until the end of the month. Make sure you do at least 2 business days prior to the end of the month, because the transactions need to be posted in order for you to qualify. And you see how I'm doing it. I'm just using the debit card and $1, 1.5 to, like I said, any amount, 15, I did 16. I just always do one more just to be on the safe side. So I'm actually using Cash App. So I go to the Cash App, I add payment method as Andrew's Payroll debit card, not the account number or anything, which is debit card, and then I click on add. So here's I'm going to show you. See here I'm logged in as a Cash App. Then you go to the add money, and then it comes to this page, and you just click on here and you put $1, not 10, not 20, just $1. Then from Visa you add here your Andrew's Payroll Credit Union and add. So that's how you complete. So make sure you don't do 15 in one day, because they may block you or they might trigger some security concern or fraudulent activity concern. So usually I try to do one in the morning, one in the afternoon. So basically in 5 or 7 days I complete the SWIFT transactions. And here's the link. It's a direct link. You can use it. There's also a referral link. If you use the referral link, you get $50. I get $50. If you're interested in that, please email me and I'll provide the details, because it seems like there is a form. But if you don't care about extra $50, you can just use the regular link and open this account. And here's my email in case you have anything, any questions or anything you need. You can always email me at help@moneymee.com with the subject title, the bank products that you're interested in. And in case you want to talk to me, you can always schedule a call with me and I'd be happy to make time. So that's all I had for today. Just let me know if you have any questions, concerns, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.